Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do differential equation. So these are the questions from question bank, differential equation. So let's begin with this question. If the population of town increases at a rate proportional to the population at that time, see how to start this solution. P, population of town, that is P, that is dt by dt is the rate, and this rate is directly proportional to the population, that is P. So it is directly proportional to P, and this we will write as K into P, where K is a proportionality constant. फिर इसके बाद we can put this equation in variable separable form, dt upon P equal to K into dt, and integrating this we will get log of P is equal to, here log of P is equal to K P and plus constant of integration C. Now at P is equal to 0, the initial population will take P0, right? When P is equal to 0, initial population P is equal to 0, then we can write here log of P0 is equal to time T is 0, so it is 0 plus C, so that we are getting C is equal to what? Log of P0. So if we put in this equation, therefore this equation will become log P equal to KT plus log of P0, and finally this will be log of P minus log of P0, and it is log of P upon P0 is equal to KT. Log of P upon P0 is equal to KT, therefore we can put in the exponential form. हम exponential form में ऐसे रख सकते हैं, so we can put in the exponential form as, so P upon P0 that is equal to e raised to power KT, and finally we will be getting this equation, P is equal to P0 e raised to power KT, where P0 is the initial population. So by using this equation we can solve further. So our equation is this. We can use this equation now to solve this problem. We can use this equation here, P is equal to P0 e raised to power KT. Here we use this equation, P is equal to P0 e raised to power KT, where P0 is the initial population when time T is equal to 0, and it is given that the population increases from, see here, population increases from 40,000 to 60,000. That means here P0 is equal to क्या है? P0 is 40,000. So therefore here when time T is equal to 0, that is P0 is equal to how much? 40,000, and time when in 40 years it gives 60,000. So population increases from 40,000 to 60,000. So it is 60,000. Population will increase from 40,000 to 60,000. This is what? 40,000, and in what time? That is 40 years. So time T is equal to what? 40 years. When time T is equal to 40 years, the population will become 60,000. So therefore here 60,000 is equal to this initial population, and time T is equal to what? 40 years. So we can simplify it. See here, if we simplify this, we are getting here P by 2, that is equal to e raised to power, this 40k we can write as 20k, and raised to power 20k we are getting is equal to square root of this 3 by 2. So we are getting e raised to power 20k is equal to square root of 3 by 2. Square root of 3 by 2 e raised to power 20k. Now what will be population in another 20 years? In another 20 years means what? 40 years plus 20 years, that is 60 years. So therefore when time t is equals to 60 years, we are asked to find population p. So we apply this here in this equation. So therefore population p is equal to, see here, population p is equal to p0 is what? 40, and in what time? Okay, in time t is equal to what? 60 years. 60k. Okay. So this population p is equal to 40 into 60k. 60k will write as e raised to power 20k and whole raised to power 3. But e raised to power 20k is root 3 by 2. Therefore we will get population p is equal to 40 into this e raised to power 20k. Okay, e raised to power 20k is equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Therefore is root 3 by 2 and whole raised to power how much? 3. This will be 40 into 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 square and then 1. So this root 3 by. Now this is getting cancelled here. We cancel over. Okay, it is 20 and this will be equal to what? It will be 60 into, it is 60 into root 3 by 2. 60 into root 3 by 2. But root 3 by 2 is given to us. Root 3 by 2 is 1 point and this 60 is in what? Thousands. So this will be 60,000 into root 3 by 2 is given to us 1.2247. Okay, 1.2247. So this product will give us the answer is 6 into 12247 and the multiplication is equal to, okay, so the multiplication is equal to 73482. Okay, this will be the population after next 20 years. So 73482 will be the population after next what? 20 years. So here this question is over. See, we are asked to find the population in another 20 years. So in population in another 20 years will be 73482. Okay, 73482. Question number 5. The rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to number present. If initially there were 1000 bacteria and the number double in 1 hour. Find number of bacteria after 5/2 hours. So here it is provided root 2 value. So how to start this? dp, the number of bacteria is what? N, and the rate of change of bacteria or rate of increase in the bacteria is proportional to the number n. We solve it further. dn by dt, we are getting dn by dt is equal to kn, where k is proportionality constant. So variable separable form and further we solve like previous sum. This can be done. N is equal to n0 e raised to power at. You can put in this form. ये फॉर्म में हम इसको पुट कर सकते हैं. You can put this in this. n is equal to n0 e raised to power at. तो इसमें n0 is equal to what? n0 is the initial number of bacteria. The rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present. Initially there were 1000 bacteria. मतलब n0 equals to what? Here n0 is equal to 1000. Yes. So therefore we can put in this equation n is equal to n0. n0 is 1000 e raised to power kt. Now further this number doubles in 1 hour. That means n is equal to 2 times of n0, मतलब 2000 in time t is equal to what? 1 hour. Time t is equal to 1 hour. In this equation we put this. तो यहाँ पे आएगा n is equal to what? 2000. Here it is 1000, 2000, and it is 1000. Okay, 2000 is equal to here 1000 into e raised to power. What is the time? Time is 1 hour. E raised to power k into 1. Therefore, what will be this e raised to power k? So it is e raised to power k will be equal to, see, this is getting cancelled here. Okay, this is getting cancelled, and it is equal to what? 2. So thus we are getting e raised to power k is equal to. Now here it is asked to find number of bacteria. Here find number of bacteria after 5 upon 2 hours. So when time t is equal to 5 upon 2 hours, what is the number of bacteria? Capital N is equal to what? So n is equal to n0. n0 is what? 1000 e raised to power. What is the time? Time is 5 upon 2 hours. 5 upon 2 k. Yes. So n is equal to what? 1000 to e raised to power k and raised to power 5 upon raised to power 5 upon 2. So n is equal to 1000 into e raised to power k. E raised to power k is 2. So it is 2 raised to power 5 upon 2. Now this 2 raised to power 5 upon 2 we can write as number of bacteria 1000 into 2 square and 2 raised to power 1 by 2. See here, this 2 raised to power 5 by 2 we can write as 2 raised to power 2 and into 2 raised to power 1 by 2. Then this will be n is equal to, now this is 4 and 4 into 1000, it is 4000 into root 2, but we have given value of root 2 is equal to 1.414. So that value we substitute and we will get the number of bacteria n is equal to 4000 into 1.414. So this decimal point will be here, the point 1.414 and this 30. So it is simply will multiply n is equal to 4 into 1414 and the product is 5656. This will be the number of bacteria. This will be the number of bacteria in what time? That is in time 5 by 2 hours. Okay, in time 5 by 2 hours. Number of bacteria will be 5656 in time t is equal to 5 by 2 hours. Next question, solve the differential equation. So here next question, here is the question number 6. solve the differential equation. Solve differential equation. Here it is a homogeneous differential equation. Yes, it is homogeneous differential equation. This differential equation we can put dy by dx equal to x square plus 2y square upon y into x. So to solve this homogeneous differential equation, we put what? Y is equal to dx, and therefore dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx b plus x into dv by dx. Dy by dx will be b plus x into dv by dx. Here we write b plus x into dv by dx. Right hand side will be x square plus 2 times v, y is equal to vx, so v square x square, denominator is y is equal to vx, vx and this x, it will be x square, so that this x square we can cancel. Here this x square we can cancel, and we will be getting here x dv by dx, x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2v square upon v, and this v you are taking in the right hand side, the right hand side में आएगा. So this x dv by dx is equal to LCM is v, 1 plus 2v square minus v square, then x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon v, right? Variable separable form, that is v upon 1 plus v square is equal to dx upon x, is equal to dx upon x, dx upon x. Then integrate it. So we'll integrate both sides. Here derivative of 1 plus v square is 2v, so just multiply here 2 and divide by 2, so that this will be f dash of, here it is dv, so f dash of v upon f of v, that is log, and this 2 we can multiply over here, so it is log of 1 plus v square, and this 2 is there, 1 by 2 is there, and it is log of x plus log of c dash we can write, which is log of 1 plus v square, this is 2 times log of x c dash. So this log x and plus log c is x into log of x into c dash. This 2 we have multiplied here, so that it is 1 plus v square log, and right hand side is equal to log of x c dash square. So 1 plus v square is equal to x square c dash square, and c dash square finally will write what? C only. But v is equal to what? Y upon x. V is equal to y upon x. So it is 1 plus y square upon x square, x square c, and Here finally we will write the answer. X square plus y square equal to, cross multiplication will give us x to the power 4 into this. We are getting this answer. Question number 7. This question number 7 is linear differential equation. It is not to be solved by you. And we will do now question number 8, 9 and 10. Let's do question number 8. For differential equation, find particular solution. See here, this is on substitution dy by dx. Here we will write dy by dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1. Here initial conditions are given, so here we put 4x plus y plus 1, that is equal to u. So let's substitute this. U is equal to 4x plus y plus 1. Du by dx will be equal to what? It is 4 plus dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to what? Du by dx minus 4. Yes. So here we make the substitution. So du by dx minus 4, that is dy by dx. Du by dx minus 4, that is dy by dx. And right hand side is what? Right hand side is here, right hand side is 4x plus y plus 1, that is equal to what? U. So it is very simple now. Du by dx is equal to u plus 4, and write in variable separable form du upon u plus 4, and it is equal to dx. Integrate this. We integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Integration of this du upon u plus 4 is log of u plus 4, is log of u plus 4, and the right hand side is x plus c, constant of integration, x plus c. Now we are interested to find value of c. First of all, इसका value आप substitute करेंगे log of, here u is 4x plus y plus 1, and that plus 4 is there, which is x plus c. This is log of 4x plus y plus 5 is x plus c. And now we have given that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to what? 1. So we apply here log of x is 0 and y is what? 1. Y is 1 plus 5, x is 0. So here x is 0 plus c. We'll be getting c is equal to what? Log of 6. Log of 6. So we make the substitution here, and it will be log of 4x plus y plus 5, that is equal to x plus c. C is log c, log 6. Therefore it is log of 4x plus y plus 5 upon 6 is equal to x. This will be the answer. Next question. We do the next question. We attempt this 9th question. Here y square dx is plus xy into x square dy is equal to 0. Again it is homogeneous differential equation. We'll be writing here dy by dx. Here dy by dx. Dy by dx will be equal to minus of y square upon minus of y square upon x square plus xy square plus. Now we put y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So v plus x into dv by dx, that is dy by dx. Dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. It is equal to minus y is equal to vx, so v square x square upon x square plus x into y. X into y means x into vx, so that this x square we can cancel. X square we can cancel here, and what is getting here, v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus v square upon, here it is 1 plus v. We are taking this, ये v right hand side में लेते हैं, what will get x dv by dx. We take this v to the right hand side, minus v square upon 1 plus v minus v. Taking LCM of the denominator, 1 plus v minus v square, minus v होगा, this is what, minus v square, okay, minus v and minus v square, which is x dv by dx, x dv by dx is equal to minus 2v square minus v, and denominator is 1 plus v. So write in variable separable form, it is 1 plus v upon 2v square plus v dv is equal to minus dx upon x, minus dx upon x. Now we integrate this, so integrating this we get, so this we can solve by using see, this we can solve is by using partial fraction method. We use here partial fraction method to solve this integration. Integral 1 plus v upon this v into 2v plus 1 dv equal to minus integral dx upon x is log of x plus, here we can write as c dash. Now we will be solving this by using integration by parts method. So we use here integration by parts method, that is 1 plus v upon 1 plus v upon v into 2v plus 1, that is equal to a upon v and plus b upon 2v plus 1. Solving this a and b, 1 plus v, that is equal to a into 2v plus 1 plus v into v. We are putting v equals to 0. I will be getting a here, so we will be getting here a is equal to what, 1. देन here put b is equal to 0, तो ये 0 होगा, ये भी 0 होगा, a रहेगा यहाँ पे 1. then you put b is equal to what, -1/2, यहाँ पे -1/2, ये 1 - 1/2 is 1/2. then this a into what, 0 plus, क्योंकि b is equal to -1/2 रखते हैं, तो you will be getting here 1/2 in the left hand side, ये 0 होगा, और यहाँ पे -b अपॉन 2, b will be equal to -1. so here b will be equal to -1. now after getting a and b, here after getting a and b, integration of this is nothing but integration of this and integration of this, which is the integration क्या होगा, integration of a is what, 1 upon b dv plus b क्या है, -1 is -1 upon 2b plus 1 dv, and the right hand side is what, ये log x लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेते हैं, log x equal to c dash. yes, integration of this is log v एंड माइनस, तो हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करते हैं, सो व्हाट विल गेट, यहाँ पे आएगा 2 मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस इज व्हाट, 2, so it will be -1/2, this will be -1/2 log of, का डेरिवेटिव 2 आएगा ना, so minus is outside the integration sign, is b plus 1 log of x and this c dash. Third equation will multiply by 2, so we will be getting here 2 log v into x, ये log v और ये log x, you can write as log vx, and this multiplied by 2, so it is 2 log vx minus log of 2v plus 1, yes, and it is equal to what, 2c dash. इसको हम यहाँ पे रखते हैं, so we'll write it as log of v square x square, ये 2 log vx is log of vx square, and ये डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा, ओके, एंड अपॉन 2v plus 1, and this 2c dash will write as log c, so that vx square upon this 2v plus 1 equal to what, c, but vx is y and v equals to y upon x, therefore we'll be writing here, यहाँ पे vx is equal to what, y is equal to vx, so vx is y, so y square upon 2 times v is y upon x plus 1 is equal to c, and it will be y square x upon, here we will write it as y square x upon 2y plus x is equal to c. This will be your answer. Y square x upon 2y plus x is equal to c is the answer. So next question, once again I will show this answer here, the answer. Then we'll do the last year, that is 10th question. 10th question is similar question, that is homogeneous differential equation. We'll do 10th question, that is solve the differential equation. Here we can put in the dy by dx equal to x square plus xy minus y square upon x square. You can further simplify it. 1 plus y upon x minus y square upon x square. Now here we put y is equal to vx. It is a homogeneous differential equation, that is y upon x is equal to what? V. Here it is y upon x whole square, and dy by dx is equal to what? V plus x dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx. We'll be making this substitution. V plus x dv by dx. Right hand side is what? 1 plus v plus minus v square. Yes. Then it will be, this v is getting cancelled over here. What is left then? क्या बाकी है? x dv by dx. Right hand side is what? 1 minus v square. Write in variable separable form. dv upon 1 minus square is equal to dx upon x, and finally we integrate it. Integrate this. Integration of dv upon 1 minus v square is equal to 1 upon 1 log of a plus x upon a minus x, that is 1 plus v upon 1 minus v is equal to log of x and plus c dash or log of c dash. So log of 1 plus v 1 minus v is equal to 2 times of, this is what? Log of x into c dash. So this we can write as the right hand side of log of x square and c dash square, you can write simply c. So that log of 1 plus v upon 1 minus v is equal to x square c dash c. So 1 plus v upon 1 minus v is equal to x square c. But v is equal to what? Y upon x. Therefore 1 plus y upon x upon 1 minus y upon x equal to x square c, and we will be getting it after simplifying. Here x plus y, we getting here at the last x plus y upon x minus y, and it is equal to what? X square into c. Yes, this is the answer. So here we have completed all these 10 questions. The last exercise, last question, that is 5th question of question bank. Thank you for watching this video.